what's up, YouTube? Hey, the property. I know it's been a while. I just want to give you guys an update on what's going on out here. As you can tell, we're painting it. Got the kids in the background. They're just watering, just playing in the water, just to get some things done. But as you can tell, we got the shutters being painted. Right, we painted those black. I don't know if you guys seen it before, but it was pink, or no, not pink, but it was like a bluish color. It's not really in style, so we got rid of that. Next thing you know, hey, say cheese, fellas.
Cheese.
Say what's up, YouTube. Tell them make sure
something in this big mud.
they finding something in the big mud pile. Hey, make sure you tell them, Jackson, what you tell them? Make sure they like and subscribe.
Like him, like and subscribe.
Hey, I didn't say it, he did. So we're going into the property. As you can see, got the wifey, she's over there working on the wall. We're painting this door black. I want it to be matte black, but somehow we end up with satin paint. At this point, we're not worried about it, just trying to get it squared away. Black door, still gotta finish up some touch-up paint along here. Obviously, this bottom portion needs another coat. Keep walking through the house. Had some contractors left a lot of trash. We got some stuff going on outside, don't we? So we got paint all the way around. We want the silver bullet. If you're wondering what this top coat is, this is silver bullet. You can find this at Home Depot, Lowe's. It's burr paint from Home Depot, but Lowe's make it. That's where I got it this time, from Lowe's. Just went with the pure white at the bottom. So we're probably still gonna end up painting that white. We haven't gotten to it yet. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but it's there. So we're gonna make that decision if we wanna finish it up all the way or not. We still gotta replace this frame right here on this door. Back door is gonna be all right though. So right here in the kitchen, we already got the appliances in. These appliances were here for a long time. This was a rental for us, so it's been here for a while. So the appliances is still good. We're not gonna do anything with those. We're just coming through here, giving this thing a bright white paint, extra coat on here. And then we're gonna come through here. Obviously got my workers off in here. Got Chinatown and Tiana. My little cousins got them painted. Now this stuff is looking good in here. Man, just going through here, same, hey, chair rail, all the way down at the bottom, all that's gonna be white, gray around top, consistent, all that's great. I don't know if you guys remember, but it used to be like a tan color before. Same thing in here, we're just getting some extra coats in here. Gonna be white around here, changing the countertops, white here. We retiled the bathroom. I don't know if that was there the first time we showed you guys, or retiled all this, so it's gonna be gray and white in here. We're even leaving the same little, I don't need knobs or whatever you call it, not doing anything special with that. It's basically gonna be like a hotel, and right now it's been taking entirely too long. So we're down here. I'm spending a lot of my weekends down here just trying to finish it up and stay light on my budget. Another gray and white, silver bullet, bright white, everything else. And in here to the master bedroom, silver bullet. Probably end up painting this white, bright white. And then in here, exact same thing. Paint these cabinets right here white, get in, get out. And then for the master shower, we were thinking about just tearing it out and doing a plastic insert. But at this point, I think we're just gonna clean it up and just put it on the market. Right now, we're in a good position because we bought this house a couple years ago. It was worth $135, right? Right now, for this size home, you can't find one in this area for under $200,000. And this is literally in the last 3, 4, 5 years. We've owned the house probably not 3, 4, 5. We bought it in 2017, if I'm not mistaken. We bought this in 2017, maybe 2018. So it's been a quick turnaround, 3 years. It was a rental for us, cash flowed a little bit. We had some issues, so really didn't make much money from a rental standpoint. Had to evict the tenant, put some more repairs into the property. But it is good when you own real estate because now we get the appreciation of the real estate, right? So that's a good thing on our side. So we're getting this thing ready to go. Hopefully next time you guys see an update on this particular property, it will be done, completed, and hopefully we can say that's in the next 2 weeks. We are gonna get granted on the countertop, so I know that's 2 weeks out on that. And we're still waiting on the, we still got some maintenance issues for the AC unit, and we're gonna get the garage door service as well. They're gonna be out here Tuesday to finalize that. So outside of that, that's really it. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated like I said I would, and I know it's been a while, so since I'm here, I wanna shoot some content for you guys and make sure you guys get fresh off the press. Hey, So if you got any suggestions on what I should do about anything inside the house, please drop the comments below. If you like the color, let me know. If you don't, that's fine too. I love to hear that as well. But until I see you next time, you guys know what it is. Keep winning.